Muli, ito po ay galing at pakulo ng bagong kasal. Ano nga kaya ang kanilang mga prizes? Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Show your prizes! We have Sharon package, whitening package, fitness package. Sharon ba yan? Ayan, Sharon package. Dishwashing package. Galing kay Mayor, hot choco package. Ito namang isang bulak ay self-care package. Whitening, pati yata budhin natin nadaan. Fitness package. Good for you, Gio. Yeah, do you eat that? Good for you. And ano po ito? Pulutan package. O pwede na. May Barakista mobile bar over there. And Sharon package din. Pwede po yung pang Sharon with towel pa. And ito talagang panalo. Delata package. Binagyo po ba kayo?
Hindi po kami binahay.
Hindi binaha, pero ayan, pang-imbak mo na. Kailani! Kailani. Good job. And hair treatment package. Ayan talaga. Palakpakan naman natin ang groom and bride. Thank you.